already sent him a message.
The mark is gone. The mark is now gone. What was the rest?
I'll process it and have it ready for parties to pick within the next, today, in the course of the day. Next, the count 2 and the alternative. Again, as already found and emphasized in the evidence of Docker's Achapa PW10 and the Honorable Attorney General, then the SCA was a valid and legal contract. The payment of 3% of the contractual sum as arrangement, commitment, and management fee was a legal payment and proper obligation of GOK under the clauses of the agreement. The payment of euros 1.2 million under the contract was therefore neither fraudulent nor an illegality, in my finding. It was not established in the evidence that the 5th and 6th accused persons were the beneficial owners of the amount paid by GOK. The evidence does not support this count, which must fail and is hereby dismissed. The same fate must befall the alternative count to that count, which is also hereby dismissed, for the reason that the sum of euros 1.2 million paid under the SCA was not the result of any demonstrated corrupt conduct or illegality.